paralyzed by pandemic, betrayed by biology, and marooned by Mother Nature, one man did the only thing he could do to help save humanity.
I'm sitting in my basement perfecting my dramatic announcer voice.
Hey everyone, just checking in. Wanted to give you a live update. I'm doing well. I'm alive. The outlook is a little bleak. Haven't shaved in days. Jace, it's not even growing fast.
Hey all, Frank here. Not always the best struggling with technology and videos, but here I am, and I just wanted to say, hey, we're all in this together. We'll get through it. It's going to be tough for a while, but our thoughts and prayers are with everybody out there. Take care. If you need anything, let us know. Thanks.
Hey everybody, Joel with customer service here. Working from my home, but still ready and willing and able to help you out as much as I can. But, at least I'm here in my dad chair with my dogs and, at least staying safe. And, no Rona coming to this guy, let me tell you that.
Day 3. The great social distancing of 2020. On a good note, it looks like it's a little sunny out. Well, maybe not sunny, but I did manage to get a fresh pair of socks, which is pretty good. Oh, come on.
Peta and the gang here, practicing our social distancing even at home, wrapping up some work, and having some fun with the fans. It's been an interesting game so far, and I'm quickly realizing that I'm much better at marketing than Cat Appley. But I challenge you all to a game as soon as the time is right and we can be together again at Blizzard HQ.
What are you guys doing?
We are just watching Netflix and eating pizza.
Day 4 of quarantine, and my tiny stay-at-home boss is really cracking the whip.
Hey everybody, it's Jeremy from Blizzard. I'm here with my little buddy Connor.
Hi.
And when you have to do school at home and figure out a way to work in music and art, and you work at Blizzard, I mean, is there really a better class to be taking right now, buddy?
It's your boy Sock. I look exactly like I do normally at the office, except now I have my computer at the dining room table, and super exciting. I am at now. So yeah, we're doing okay. Doing some quarantine care this year.
Blizzard Service Department here, keeping everything clean and keeping you up and running. Isn't that right, Bruce?
Here in my little part of the warehouse, everything is great. I have nuts. Yep.
You'd be surprised how many emails you get from people working remotely asking you to do things.
Hi, Sarge here, and I'm practicing social distancing. Hey, can I come down now, guys?
No!